Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size in Roblox application using your Android device. First of all, launch open the Roblox app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the home page of Roblox, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Device Preferences. Under Device Preferences, scroll down to Text Size and you'll see a little white slider right next to it. Go ahead and swipe it towards the right to increase the text size. The changes will take effect immediately. If you want to decrease the text size, then you will need to drag the same white dot towards the left. And there you have it. That's how you can customize your text size in Roblox application using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.